Very interesting question from the chapter of trigonometry. Question number 4 from exercise 8.2 of NCERT book standard 10. Here question is state whether the following are true or false. Objective type question. Justify your answer. 5 questions are here. 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us discuss one by one. First is here, sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. Okay. So, what will be the answer? This is false. And how to justify? Let A is equal to 30 degree and B is equal to 60 degree. So, therefore, sine of A plus B is equal to sine of A is 30, B is 60. So 30 plus 60 is 90. This is equal to 1. But this is sine 30 plus sine 60. We are putting A is 30, B is 60. But sine 30 degree plus sine 60 degree. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. And sine 60 is root 3 by 2. This is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. So what we are getting here? So therefore sine of A plus B is not equal to sine of A plus sine of B. Now let us see second one. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Correct? This answer is true. Okay, we can check here because sine 0 degree is equal to 0, sine 30 degree is equal to half, sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree is equal to 1. So what we see, if angle increases from 0 degree to 90 degree, value of sine theta is also increasing from 0 to 1. So this statement is true. Now third, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. This is false. Similarly, we can check that cos theta will not increase when theta increases. Rather, cos theta will decrease. Okay. So let us put some values and check it. Cos of 0 degree is 1. Cos of 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos of 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos of 30 degree is equal to half. And cos of 90 degree is equal to 0. So if value of theta is increasing from 0 degree, 60 degree, 45, 30, let us write here 30, cos 30 and here 60, okay. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So if value of theta is increasing, value of cos theta is decreasing from 1 to gradually decreases up to 0. So this statement is false. Now fourth one. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. This is false. Just you can check because sine of 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 but cos of 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So what we find here? We are finding here that sine 30 degree is not equal to cos of 30 degree. Similarly, for so many angles we can check it. So this statement is false. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. This is false. And fifth, last, this is cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. Correct? So this is true. Justify our answer. Because cot of theta can be written as cos of theta by sine of theta. So if you write cot of 0 degree, it means cos of 0 degree by sine of 0 degree. And we know the value, cos 0 degree is 1 and sine 0 degree is 0. So 1 by 0 is, this is not defined. This is known as infinity, which is not a defined number. So fifth statement, cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. This is true statement. So these are very simple and basic concepts on trigonometry. We must know all these concepts. Nice? Okay. So remain in touch with these videos. We will see some more important questions in other videos to come. Wish you all the best.